Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Nvidia today. Now, 200 bucks has been a pretty big magnet for this stock from the downside, like up here, and we're not trading with immediate precision, but 200 bucks is pretty much supply right down here. Stock pops up above 200, clear back here, could not hold that. And so, generally speaking, this has kind of been the base, right? And so then last month, we get a nice move right up to, again, 200. It kind of loitered around there for a while, like a homeless dude with a golf or with a shopping cart, and then finally, it juices up here, and now guess what? It's right back down to where it was. Okay, I think this is a buying opportunity. I think that 200 had been resistance, pops up here. Now it actually kind of turns into a little support right here, a little platform, a little springboard, and then it comes back down to 200. And today, you'll look at this, the stock's up on volume. Now, it's only down, it's less than 5% from its all-time high, which is this. And I like that. If this was a big steep, like a big deep sell-off, that would be a different deal. This was a steep sell-off, like how many days in a row did this thing fall? But it wasn't very deep. And so there's not a lot of trapped bulls here. There's not a lot of folks who bought up here and are still holding the stock wishing they could get out. And see, that's really the deal. It's not just are there people, are there traders, are there institutions? There aren't any institutions that are in this stock that are underwater. Okay, if the answer is yes to that, then the question is, okay, how determined are those traders? How determined are those folks that are underwater? Will they be to get rid of the stock if they can get their entry price? In other words, if they could get back to even. I'm saying that with this stock not very far below the all-time high, there aren't too many people. I mean, I own some stock. I own a really, really tiny call position that in a way I kind of wish I didn't, but I do. So there's that. But if the stock, or I should hopefully when, I don't like to use the word hope, but what are you going to do? Um, when the stock starts running up here, I don't think there's anybody of note that's going to look and go, oh my God, I'm finally able to get out of my stock that I bought at 212 and fell down 3%. So what I'm describing is just the dynamics of the market right now. I think Nvidia is a stock that you can buy right now. If you want to give it a little bit of room, you can give it max room down to 95. You put your stop a little bit below 95 bucks. You're buying it right now, and you're risking less than 6%, about 5.5%. How much would that stock have to go in order to make me feel good about that? It'd need to go up 10 or 11%. Can the stock get up to the high 220s? That's what would make this trade worthwhile to me. I think it can. I don't think it's going to take that much, especially when earnings are coming out on the 20th. So, anyway, that's my sense on NVIDIA. I hope this helps you guys. If you have not tried a subscription to Stock Market Mentor, I'm inviting you to do it. Guys, it's $7. It's $7. And I promise you this, you'll make your $7 back and multiples of that. All right. So that's all I get. I'm not going to beg. I'm just going to urge. Okay. I'm just going to urge you to do that. So, all right. That's all I got for you. I'll see you next time.